Imagine you are working and you suddenly receive an urgent message from your boss demanding sensitive information right now. Look closely at the details. You'll notice artificial urgency, demands for strict confidentiality, and instructions to send now. And you will notice a sender address that does not match the official company directory. This is a social engineering attack. It triggers panic or obedience, pushing your brain off its normal logical path. Attackers know if they make you feel rushed, you might comply just to get the request out of the way. Reacting to that pressure is a natural biological response to perceived authority. To defend against this, we use a deliberate 4-step incident response checklist designed to break the cycle of panic. By following these steps, you neutralize the attacker's main weapon, time, before you take any action. Step 1. Pause. Stop all immediate physical interaction with the request. You do not reply directly, you do not click links, and you do not open attachments. Even replying to ask, "Is this you?" gives the attacker valuable information, confirming that your email address is active and monitored. It can feel uncomfortable to ignore a direct message, especially if you think it might genuinely be a superior. But a deliberate physical pause is your strongest baseline defense against manufactured urgency. Step 2. Preserve the evidence. Your instinct might be to quickly delete the suspicious email to protect yourself. Doing so destroys the forensic trail. Safely capture the state of the attack. Take a screenshot or use your email's flagging tool to lock details into place. This preserved data contains hidden routing codes. Your security teams need that exact information to investigate and trace the threat. By capturing this data, you go from being a potential target to a vital source of threat intelligence. Step 3. Route the threat correctly. Send the preserved message directly to your organization's approved reporting mechanism, like a designated button or cybersecurity alias. Do not forward the suspicious email to a coworker or your manager to ask for a second opinion. Forwarding a malicious payload across the company causes lateral spread, exponentially increasing the risk that someone else might accidentally click the link. Formal reporting bypasses that internal risk entirely, isolating the threat to professionals and initiating a safe, controlled response. Step 4. Independently verify the request. The rule here is strict. Never use the contact information or links provided within the suspicious message itself. Instead, open your internal corporate directory or simply use a pre-saved contact to call the supposed sender directly. Speaking directly to the contact on an entirely separate platform is the foolproof test that immediately exposes an impersonator. Executing this checklist means you are not overreacting or causing unnecessary trouble. You are doing exactly what is needed to defend the organization. When the security team receives your accurate report, they can instantly deploy a network-wide block based on your intelligence. This swift action protects your coworkers from receiving the same attack, prevents critical data loss, and stops financial fraud. A secure, cyber-aware organization relies entirely on fast, accurate reporting from every individual. So remember, when in doubt, report it. Fast reporting protects everyone.